Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can elevate your cooking game, especially if you're a meat lover, a grilling enthusiast, or someone who enjoys preparing delicious meals at home. We recently discovered the ThermoMaven Professional Meat Thermometer, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes the ThermoMaven thermometer stand out in a crowded market. This is not just any meat thermometer. It's designed with cutting-edge technology that allows for 3x faster readings. Thanks to its advanced thermocouple applied temperature probe, you can expect instant readings in just half a second. That means while you're grilling or roasting, you won't have to wait long to check the meat's internal temperature, perfect for busy cooks who want to ensure their dishes are cooked to perfection without unnecessary delays. One of the standout features of the ThermoMaven is its certified accuracy. It's officially recognized by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, which means it provides temperature readings that are accurate to within plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, or plus or minus 0.3 degrees Celsius. This level of precision is essential for cooking meats to the desired doneness, whether you're aiming for a rare steak or a perfectly roasted chicken. You can say goodbye to the guesswork of cooking meat and rest assured that you're serving perfectly cooked meals every time. Durability is another major selling point. The ThermoMaven has been rigorously tested over 10,000 times in lab conditions, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of a busy kitchen or backyard barbecue. Plus, its IP67 waterproof rating means you can wash it without fear of damaging it. This is especially useful for anyone who values easy cleaning and maintenance, as cooking can get messy. Using the ThermoMaven is a breeze. Its lift-to-wake feature ensures that the thermometer is always ready for use. Just lift it, and it powers on immediately. The bright backlight temperature indicator allows for easy reading, even in low light conditions. Additionally, the auto-rotating display accommodates both right and left-handed users effortlessly, making it user-friendly for everyone. And here's a fun bonus, it even comes with a built-in bottle opener, adding to its practicality in the kitchen or during outdoor gatherings. The design of the ThermoMaven also considers storage. It features both a hook and a magnet, allowing you to store it conveniently according to your preferences. Whether you want to hang it up or stick it to your fridge, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your cooking space. Plus, the gray anti-slip mat on the back provides extra friction, ensuring that your thermometer stays securely in place when stored magnetically. So, who is this thermometer suitable for? If you're a home cook, a barbecue aficionado, or anyone who enjoys preparing meals with precision, the ThermoMaven Professional Meat Thermometer could be a game-changer for you. It's also ideal for bakers and candy makers, given its versatility in handling various cooking tasks. In practical terms, you can use this thermometer for everything from grilling steaks and chicken to roasting turkey and even checking the temperature of homemade candy. Its fast and accurate readings will make you feel like a professional chef in your own kitchen. In summary, the ThermoMaven Professional Meat Thermometer combines speed, accuracy, and durability into one essential kitchen tool. Whether you're grilling for friends, cooking a family meal, or experimenting with new recipes, this thermometer is designed to help you achieve the best cooking results. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.